A reliable folding knife is an essential tool for survival, self-defense, and everyday carry. Compact yet powerful, these blades offer versatility without sacrificing strength, making them perfect for outdoor adventures or urban emergencies. But with so many options out there, finding the right one can be overwhelming. That's why we've compiled the 10 ultimate folding knives for survival and self-defense, each designed for durability, precision, and ease of use. Whether you need a rugged workhorse or a discreet EDC blade, these knives have you covered. Let's jump in and explore the best folding knives you can count on. For an everyday carry knife that's fast, functional, and ultra-lightweight, the Kirschner Oppa is a top-tier choice. Its 2.75-inch reverse Tonta blade slices through boxes, rope, and more with ease, while the stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting sharpness. Plus, the cutouts in the handle reduce weight without sacrificing strength, making it an ideal companion for hiking, work, or daily tasks. Equipped with speed-safe assisted opening, the Oppa deploys instantly with a simple flipper action, and the liner lock secures the blade for confident handling. Whether you prefer a pocket clip or lanyard carry, this knife adapts to your needs with its reversible clip and lanyard hole. At just under 2 ounces, the Kirschner Oppa is designed for effortless portability while delivering maximum cutting performance. When you need a knife that's light, fast, and always ready, this EDC workhorse won't disappoint. Built for hard-hitting performance, the Boker Plus Strike delivers quick deployment and precision cutting in a rugged, tactical design. Its D-to-steel drop-point blade, finished in black, slices through daily tasks with ease, while the textured aluminum handle provides a secure, ergonomic grip for confident use. With its push-button automatic opening, the Strike springs into action at a moment's notice. A secondary safety lock ensures no accidental misfires, while the plunge lock mechanism secures the blade during heavy use. Whether clip tip up or tip down, the deep carry pocket clip keeps it discreet and ready for action. From EDC to tactical situations, the Boker Plus Strike blends speed, strength, and control into a reliable cutting tool. If you're looking for an automatic folder that performs under pressure, the Boker Plus Strike won't disappoint. The Civivi Praxis is a tactical folding knife built for reliability and performance. With a 0.12-inch thin, sharp-point blade, it's perfect for piercing and precision tasks, ensuring you're always ready for any cutting challenge. Whether you're working or out in the field, this knife offers smooth and decisive action for quick deployment. The lightweight Quiborsha wood handle provides superior ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable and secure grip with every use. Featuring ball bearings in the pivot, the Praxis opens effortlessly, combining ease of use with precision. Designed for everyday carry, the reversible deep carry pocket clip lets you carry the Praxis discreetly, making it ideal for both work and collection. At just 3.99 ounces, it's a solid yet unobtrusive companion for any task. If you're looking for a high-performance folder with style and strength, the Civivi Praxis is ready for the challenge. When it comes to battle-tested reliability, the CRKTM16 stands tall. Designed for tactical professionals and everyday warriors, this folding knife boasts a 3.875-inch black serrated Tonta blade, crafted from AUS-8 steel for a razor-sharp edge and solid durability. The flipper opener ensures quick, effortless deployment, while the liner lock with LAWKS safety provides extra security, transforming it into a virtual fixed blade when engaged. The black aluminum handle is both lightweight and rugged, featuring steel liners for added strength without unnecessary bulk. At 9.25 inches overall, this knife balances power and precision with a reversible tip-up carry clip for ambidextrous convenience. Whether you're in the field, on duty, or gearing up for adventure, the CRKTM16 is built to perform under pressure. With its proven design and unwavering dependability, this knife isn't just a tool, it's a trusted companion for those who demand the best. Designed for those who demand uncompromising performance, the Benchmade Claymore is a rugged, battle-ready automatic knife built to endure. Its 3.60-inch CPMD to steel blade delivers exceptional edge retention and cutting power, finished in stealthy black for a tactical look. The push-button opener ensures rapid deployment, while the integrated safety lock prevents accidental activation. Perfect for law enforcement, military personnel, or serious EDC enthusiasts. Crafted with olive drab green Grivery handle scales, this knife offers a lightweight yet robust grip, resistant to harsh weather and heavy use. Its button lock mechanism guarantees secure operation, and the reversible deep carry clip allows for discreet, tip-up pocket carry. At 3.87 ounces, the Claymore is surprisingly light for its size, making it an effortless everyday companion. Built in the USA with Benchmade's legendary craftsmanship, the Claymore is a knife that won't just last, it's one you can rely on for life. Designed for tactical performance and everyday reliability, the SOG Kiku folder blends high-end materials with precision craftsmanship. Featuring an assisted opening mechanism, this knife deploys instantly, making it a trusted companion for self-defense, survival, or EDC. The razor-sharp S35VN steel blade offers exceptional edge retention, toughness, and wear resistance, ensuring it's always ready for action. Complementing the blade, the linen micarta handle provides a secure, comfortable grip, whether wet or dry, while developing a unique patina over time. Built for those who demand durability, control, and style, the Kiku folder is a bold statement of strength and sophistication. Whether you're navigating the outdoors or carrying it for daily protection, this refined yet powerful folder delivers when it matters most. Compact yet powerful, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops folding knife is the perfect everyday carry for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. With a 3.1-inch blade crafted from high-carbon stainless steel, this knife excels in cutting, slicing, and piercing tasks. Its partially serrated clip point blade enhances versatility, making it suitable for a variety of situations. Designed for quick access, the thumb studs allow seamless one-handed operation, while the durable aluminum handle provides a secure grip. At just 7.1 inches overall and weighing 3.5 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to carry without compromising strength. This folding knife includes a reliable liner lock to ensure safety during use and a pocket clip for convenient everyday carry. Whether on a camping trip or navigating urban challenges, the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops is a dependable tool built to perform when you need it most. Built for rugged dependability and relentless cutting power, the Microtech Stitch Automatic is a battle-ready beast designed in collaboration with Marfioni Custom Knives and Borka Blades. Featuring a fully serrated Wharncliffe blade crafted from premium Baller M390 steel, this knife tears through tough materials with ease, while the apocalyptic finish gives it a bold, no-nonsense look. A push-button automatic opener delivers instant blade deployment, backed by a rock-solid button lock for one-handed operation and maximum security. The textured natural aluminum handle offers a sure grip, even in the harshest conditions, while the tip-up pocket clip ensures quick and easy carry. Whether you're on duty, in the field, or tackling demanding tasks, the Microtech Stitch Automatic is built to perform without fail. This isn't just a knife, it's a cutting-edge force of nature, ready for anything. The CRKT Provoke redefines innovation with its futuristic karambit design and unique engineering. Inspired by ancient combat tools, but equipped with modern technology, this knife stands out with its distinctively aggressive appearance and functionality. What sets the Provoke apart is its kinematic opening mechanism. Unlike traditional folding knives, the blade deploys forward with a simple push of your thumb, offering rapid one-handed operation. This makes it an excellent choice for tactical situations where speed and efficiency are crucial. Crafted from D to steel, the blade provides exceptional edge retention and toughness, while the anodized aluminum handle ensures a lightweight yet durable grip. Designed for self-defense and tactical use, the ergonomic finger loop allows for secure handling in high-stress scenarios. The CRKT Provoke isn't just a knife, it's a statement of cutting-edge innovation, making it a deadly and reliable tool for those who demand performance in the field. Built for those who demand precision, the Zero-Tolerance 045OCF delivers high-performance cutting power in a sleek, lightweight frame. Its 3.0 to 5-inch S35VN steel blade offers exceptional toughness, edge retention, and resistance to chipping, making it a reliable choice for everyday carry and demanding tasks. The DLC coating enhances durability, wear resistance, and corrosion protection while adding a stealthy, matte black finish. Designed for strength without excess weight, the handle combines a carbon fiber front and a titanium back, providing a secure grip and an excellent size-to-weight ratio. The KVT ball-bearing opening system ensures ultra-smooth blade deployment, making this folder a favorite among first responders, survivalists, and tactical professionals. With a secure frame lock and reversible pocket clip, this knife adapts to any carry style. Whether tackling outdoor challenges or daily tasks, this knife delivers premium craftsmanship, rugged reliability, and cutting-edge performance.